So I texted her at 1 o'clock this morning because yesterday I was so tired that by 5 I decided I'm going to bed, and I slept until 1 o'clock when I woke up and saw that she texted me at 8 o'clock asking if I wanted to go with her. And I've been waiting for this like since last week already. Been waiting for her to text me, and when she finally does, I'm fast asleep. Come on, reply, read my message, do something. Let me know you're alive. I feel like I should just text her. I feel like she'd reply if I texted her again. Okay, I did it. Oh man, okay. Now it's up to her, because I sent her 2 messages, so she can either reply or not reply. But yeah, we'll just see what happens. Okay, we got a reply. She sent a voice note. Let's hear what she says.
Because I'm late. I'm really late today. There's way too much to see for just one flight. So we're gonna have to do more than one flight eventually. Meaning we're gonna fly a bit more than probably 3 to 4 flights. But we'll do it step by step. We're just gonna finish one and then we're gonna move on to the next one.
Okay, there you go. So, no flight today. Man, I was really looking forward to it. But I had a feeling that it might not happen, so I guess we'll see tomorrow. I bought a penny board. Look at that. How cool does that look? I've always wanted one of these. Okay. Seems more like it. Can't I just rip the plastic off? Man, that is strong plastic. And then it's the bottom. I'm very excited to go out and test this thing. I just hope I don't fall, because if I fall and get hurt, then the fun's gonna be over real quick. Just go off real quick, so you really can't take shit off. Oh, almost. I'm just waiting for her to show up now. Should be here just now. She said about 10 to 15 minutes, so. I thought you would have trouble finding the house. This is the smallest plane I've ever been in.
this is gonna be really disappointing. We can't fly right now. You have no idea.
So, like, this is the smallest plane I've ever been in. Look at this. Like, the door's right there, and we've got the GoPro just there. I'm just monitoring it from my phone. So yeah, should be a lot of fun. Right now the plane's not starting, so we'll see what happens. A little nervous.